Hi, Marilyn. Reviewing your resume, you did a great job. Your name is at the largest font. You had your address and phone number as well as your email address present, which is very good. Um, your whole resume in general is very informative, and it has an eye-pleasing layout, which I liked a lot. You may be able to benefit from a couple of suggestions by using bullet points and also use of professional terminology throughout the resume. Trying to use more professional terms. Also, I would suggest that you take your resume and run it through Grammarly to ensure that there aren't any grammatical errors or misspellings that you may have missed throughout. I think that would help you a lot there. Otherwise, good luck.